Hi friends, this is Vetrivel. This tutorial we will discuss about data grid view multi-select. Okay, first of all, what we'll do? First, I am trying to add one data grid view inside this toolbox. I have the toolbox. Inside toolbox data section, under the data section you will find the data grid view here. Just drag down the data grid view into our form first. So just I am drag the data grid view and expand this data grid view how much you want. Okay, after that I will copy one more data grid view here. Just copy and paste it. So right now I have the two data grid views. So I will add one button also here. So go to the command control section and you will find the button tools here. Just click the button and paste it. So just I am trying to expand the give the name to that button, coffee. Okay, now I need to double click this copy button. Here I need to declare the library function using system.data.sql client. After that, so here I am writing the programs. So SQL connection con equal to new SQL connection. Inside that connections I will add the connection string. So you will find the connection string here. So you want the server explore, then go to view and click the server explore. You will find the server explore here. So I have already added the database in that my server explore. Just click that database and right click the your mouse, so you will get the properties icons and properties options, and click the properties, then you will get the connection string here. Just click the connection string and Control A and Control C. So copy your connection string. Inside the SQL connection section you have to just copy inside double quote sections you have to paste the connections here. Now I need to declare SQL data adapter SDA equal to new SQL data adapter. So here I am writing the query to fetching the my table. So here I am writing select star from, I already have the table employee. I am calling this employee table. So copy the employee table name and paste it, or you can write the employee table. Still here error will be showing, so you need to declare the connection string here con. We already declared the connection string. Just call the connection string here, it will won't show the error. So now I am declaring the data table. So data table dt equal to new data table. Okay, now we need to fill the records. So I will show the record first. Right click the employee table, you click the show table, so you will find the record. Right now I have the 500 records in my table. This is my table name is employee. Okay, first I need to fill the employee table into my temporary means and data table sections. So first here SDA, my data adapter, SQL data adapter dot fill dt. Now I need to put the debug mode here. So you will find the what record will be fetching or anything you can find here. So first I am run the program. So right now is running the program and the process will going. So now I already put the debug mode here. Now I am click the this copy button. So once I am hit the copy button, you will come the sections here. Now you have to click go to this DT sections. You will populate the one small icons. Inside the icon you will find the search symbol here. So click the search symbol, so the record will be populated here. Okay. So I think we get all the 500 records inside the this data set visualization. Okay. Now the above code is working perfectly. Now I try to fill the record into my data grid view. So first of all, you need to create the columns. Create the columns for this is this data grid view. So first what we will do? So what will we do? Here this small icon will be showing the this data grid view sections. So click the this icon. Here add column is there. So click the add column here. So inside a column I need to declare the columns here. So first column I need to set header text should be select. So this is I am checking the checkbox column. So now just add. After that I am adding the another columns like which column name. So I need to put the column name user ID name age amount, so gender, and finally amount, and click add and close. So so I need to change this column or text box column, this only the checkbox column. So go to another time. So right now this time I'm clicking edit columns. So click the user ID sections. So here change the column type should be text box. Likewise we can change all the columns data types. Text column, text column, text column, text column. Okay, now I'm click OK buttons. So I have 5 columns, sorry 6 columns, 0 1 2 3 4 5, means I have the 6 columns here right now. Okay, now I am need to expand this name column in full width. So go to here, edit columns, and click the name sections, and column size auto size mode I am taking the fill option. So click. So this column will be expand likewise. So just I am delete the this data grid view and Control C and Control V. So copy the all the options same wise here. Okay, now I need to pass the records to this column right now. So first of all I need to copy this button. So here I am changing the name to fetch. So once I hit the button I will get the records. So just click the button, fetch button, and copy this code, Control X, sorry, cut this code and Control V here. Here I need to declare for each loop. So right click, insert recipient, and C# for each, double click. So it will create the syntax for you. You can just modify here. So is variable type is data row. Data row. Here item is enough. The variable name is item. Here dt dot rows. Here I need to declare data grid view 1 dot rows dot clear. First of all, I try to clear all the record inside record, anything is there. Now int n equal to data grid view 1 dot rows dot add. So once one time this loop is running, the row will be add. That row index will stored into this n variable. Here data grid view 1 dot rows n dot cells 1. So 0 is the select index checkbox. So 1 is the column. So I will show this is 0 checkbox. This is a user ID, username and all. Okay, that's why I am not passing the any values to this 0th column. I am passing try to the all the values in user ID and username and name, etc etc. Okay, likewise here dot value equal to row item dot 0 to string. So you can declare like this, likewise, or else you can call the code. So go to properties and copy. Inside a 0 you can just paste it. Likewise also you can put the 0, then it will get this record, or else you can put the particular column name is your wish. Anything you can do. Now right now I'm just calling this values and paste it 5 times. So here I'm just copy one by one and paste it. Name, gender. So here is not a case sensitive, so you can use small letter or caps letter, anything is not a case sensitive. Okay, at the next amount, so I am passing those 5 values to one by one. So 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So you can use, I am using expanding the font size to bigger, so you can see the values in clearly. Okay, now I will teach. Okay, now we already do like that. Now I am trying to run the project. So once I click the fetch button, so we will get the all the records from the table. So you will see these records. So now I need to click this record, anything try to click, so it will selecting like that. So once I click this record, so I need to select this full row. I need to select this full row. So what can we what will we do? Just go to design section and click this data grid view. Go to design section. So design sections. So you will try to this record. Okay, now properties, go to properties. Here inside properties you will find selection mode. Here inside selection mode you can select the full row select. Now run the project. So click the fetch button. so you will get the all records. So select anywhere, you can click anywhere, it will selecting the full rows here. Okay, now I need to, so it will using the holding the control button, you can select the multiple rows. So you can select the multiple rows likewise. Okay, once I select this button, I need to that select this button, the row will be by default it will be ticking. So I am setting those code here. Okay, so I will write the code here. Properties, going to the event sections, you will find the row selection change, you will find the selection change. Or you can click the mouse click, anything you can select the mouse click also. So double click here, just click the cursor here and press enter button, so it will create the mouse click event. Okay, now we will write the code for here. Okay, if data grid view one dot selected rows 0 dot cells here 0 dot value here boolean equal to true. So it will convert the value to boolean sections. So convert the values to boolean section. Before that you have to okay, boolean section. If true then then you have to if true then I will select the tick mark. It's if will false, so I will set false, then data grid view one dot selected rows 0 dot cells 0 dot value equal to true. I will assign the values to true, else here I will select, just copy and paste it here. I am setting false. Now I am run the project. Fetch, so it will get the record. Once I hit the button, it will showing the error because you will go the value here is null value, so null value cannot be converted into boolean. So we will, before that you will pass value, data grid value is false. So I am setting the value 0 0 0. Here I am passing false. Control S. Now click the fetch button. Now you will click, it will tick. selecting the record. So it will selecting the record. So how many records you are selecting, that records only passing to this grid view. So how many records we are selecting, that records only passed into this record, this grid view. So that is the my goal. That is our my goal. Our goals. That is our goal. So now I selected more than 5 records. Now I am trying to pass that record into this second grid view. So now I am going to second grid view. Now I am click the copy button here. Here I am just copy this code. Here I need to try to create a loop for that grid view. So insert recipient C# section, and again for each. That time we will loop the records into data grid view. So here I am writing data grid view row. Here data grid view 1 dot rows. Now already we copied these sections. Now once here, now I am changing little bit. Just I am passing this value here. So item dot cell value equal to true. Now true, then only I need to pass the records to data grid view 2. So here where it is, here writing int n equal to data grid view 2 dot rows dot add. Here data grid view 2 dot rows n dot cells 0 dot value equal to items dot cells 1 dot value to string. Now here cell 0, here cell 1, because I need to remove this cell. Select here second grid view, we no need this select column. So I am going to edit column sections. Just I remove this select and click OK. So what and all we are selecting, that rows will be copied to this second grid view. Now I am going to these sections. So just value 0 to pass the value is equal to 1. Just now I am copying these sections once again and paste it 5 times. So now I am changing here 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Now I here 2, 3, 4 and 5. Save the record. Now so here I need to write one more thing, data grid view 2 dot rows dot clear. So before that any records it be there, it will clear. Now I am click the run button. Now click the fetch button, so it will fetching the record. Now here I am selecting the multi records here. Now click the copy button I think any errors. Whole items value is null. Hmm. Here I think any made any mistake. So first of all, data grid view 1.rows. So I will put the debug mode here. Any error will be coming, I will check this error. So fetch button, I am fetching the record and click two records, click copy button, true. Okay, now I am press the F10. Okay, I got the error. The error was I click the run button and click the fetch. So it will fetching the record, but go to the last record, so it will be empty record. So this the adding the new record, so it will try to getting a loop. It will come the last row, it will showing the error. So I need to remove that error. So go to click here, data view, inside here you will click the uncheck the enable adding, so it will remove that empty rows. Same thing I will do here also. Click the enable adding button. Now I am saving the project. Okay, now hit the run button. So first of all I will remove the all the debug mode here. So okay, I already remove the debug mode and click the run the button. So click fetch here, so we will get the multi records. So I will select the this 5 records and click copy, so it will copy the record. And will I select more than 5 also any records. So this is K Chantam, all like that, or C Raja, this is last record, and click the copy, so it will copy the records. Okay guys, we will meet on next this tutorial. This tutorial I will try to teach. I think you will learn more things. Further I will update more videos. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Did you like our videos? Then please click to subscribe.